pala guys. Gamig-video ko guys.
So we are here at Iloilo City Port and going to Bacolod right now. After that, we're going to a fast camp.
Hi everyone! We're on our way to Bacolod. We will ride the fast fair. Hi guys!
Ikaw mag-hi sa vlog ko.
Bagsak! So guys, nadula ang isa. I think napas mo. Ay na nga mo niyang pas mo hukod. So guys, nag-expect ko no nga ang ako may estudyante nga ako ni guide. Pero ang ako ni
Oh my God, Sir Ed is suffering for the poisonic a talabay.
So guys, please pray. Yan po natin si Sir Ed na maging okay siya.
Connor went to the Lord.
See you in next place. See you in a while.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my hard to take it back. So bad time.
Parang pagkawa na, dinosaur.
I'll carry
Halin, tara!
we are young. So let's set the world on fire.
So guys, ari sila oh.
Then the sun.
Ay, liwat. Oh my God, guys! This is, wala.
Tonight, we are young. So let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. No, I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a toast. 'Cause I found someone to carry me home tonight.
Lapot ka lagi ni.
Check it out at Campus Tuhan, located at Bacolod.
Promise, hindi siya mainit. Ito na init ah.
Palabas na kami ng Kampuestuhan.
We're going to the ruins or the Mariano Lacson Mansion in Talisay City, Negros
Bakit
Occidental.
ruins yung pinangalan sa lugar, sir?
The ruins, it's because it was burned during the World War II and it became the ruins for almost 60 years.
Ang next na destination natin ay sa ruins. So, ayun, shout out kay Doc na nagpahiram sa atin ng ba't ang init? Sa running, record yun.
Hiking activity and all around the backyard farming.
Pagbalik nyo may kasama na rin po kayo para mas madagdagan pa yung turista pumupunta po dito sa isa po dito si former Governor Rafael Lacson.
That's it for today, guys. Next destination natin is Ayala Malls.
And some weeks are colder, but the days they get shorter and more try to float over. I'm left to
Good morning.
Guys, welcome to San Sebastian.
Church of Christ.
count the days, but they pass on. We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural. Moonlight.
Ano na tayo, toaster?
Hi guys!
We'll be going back to Iloilo na. So, okay, bye.
They don't bark and they don't bite, they keep their sleep.
Hindi kami mapatay sa balod, mapatay kami sa kalamig.
Already here at boundary of Timaras.
Basta sir?
Okay, kumusta ang tour nyo? Diba? Worth it?
Welcome to Marine Farm! Hey!
Gahod ang papa.
Ayun, gahod po.
We like our fun and we never fight.
Malayo na, pero malayo pa.
Natural all the light. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight.
Hey kayo. Sige vlog. Yun.
Almost every night.
Dito ka, tumayo. Tumayo ka. Yan, okay. Okay. Kasi matagkad si Doc, no? So, nakita namin ito ng 2017 ng mga guides, no? And then, Doc, pwede ka tumingin dito, doon, and then pababa yung head mo, parang going down, okay? Sandali lang po ha, kinukuhanan ko pa. Yan, okay. So, ito po, yan, makita lang yan sa camera. Ang face ni Jesus, okay? Yan, and then yan, okay?
Balik ang face niya.
Ang
Magkita sa camera. Gabi, kita pa ko gasmel. Wala ka picture sa ako.
Pwede ba tayo stream na? Sila. Araw sa babaw. Barato lang.
Wow, 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 wow!
We'll take a stop to get a nice cold brew. I started laughing at the words you spoke. I kinda like you and your stupid jokes. I kinda like you. I kinda like you.
Is this the correct way of wearing a patajol? Okay, no. Okay, the Visayan way of wearing a patajol ay isusuot niyo siya pagkatapos yung both ends i-insert niyo sa gitna. That's the Visayan way of wearing a patajol. Ang sleeve ay nasa gitna. Tapos yung holes ay papasok. Okay, smile!
Learn to love you uneven. You got away with me. You're wide-eyed and alive. So
Doors on the bus go open and shut all through the time.
Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
hindi na pwede masisigot yan to. Sinagapan ka lang na natural sa may manloloko lang pala. Umana sa party people.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Bakal kita ginamos. Ilang kilo mo?
Ulo ah.
Imo.
Ito nga lang eh. Ito nga man. Mga 36 kilos.
Kung gusto niyo pa sa lubong, magpa-Gcash ka mo. Kuya, oh. Payoon mo ka ba itiya, ha? Sino pa? So, we're here at dried fish. Basta sa palengke. Hindi siya sa rilo. Nagalingin.
Sa page, ma'am.
Nagalingin na ako nahulo. Kailan to?
Mas marami.
Amoy ginamos.
Oh, excuse me, hindi ako natulog ng kapantalon nga wala ligo halin sa Bacolod. Gusto niyo mga makilala? Let's reveal. Galing Bacolod.
We're going back to our hotel. Mabakal kami sa Cubag, kaya nga mo na bagahe pang 10 years na siya nga.
It scared my heart as I went to the door.
Magkama naman minitili naman.
To see you.
Zipper. Opo.
Grand Hotel naman gali ni.
Hi guys, this is the day 4, our last day. Uuwi na mamaya. Our first stop is Philippine Maritime Museum, History Museum.
Hindi lang ta basta palain. We should know. So before you drink class,
Sir Ed, wala na yan.
1987.
Diretso. Yan. First, roll lang, sorry. And, ito, sabon.
Pagod na.
Next will be the Haro District.
Yan lang kwarta mo.
Aray ko! Aray!
Pinapalig ka no? Shanghai Queen.
Tai Chi Seafoods. Bye-bye na!
Lahat po ng bumubuo ng MG Travel and Tours, we thank you po sa service. Approve ba ang service? Yes! Approve ang service. So, expect na marami pa tayong industry immersion next, na susunod. Okay? With our legit and very hands-on travel agency. Thank you so much, Ma'am RMMC. The whole RMMCMI, ay nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo. So, yun lang po, and God bless us all.
Holding me back.
1987.
I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that?
Hi guys, welcome.
Nothing to say.